Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to work with cursor AI agents, and this is going to be really simple. So you can see right in front of I have my cursor AI window opened, and in the center we have our this prompt section. So you can choose a composer, like for example the agent that you want to select with or go with. We have Opus, we have composer currently, and what I like is basically composer 1, which is selected by default, and we can also select the plan. Once we go with that, you can see we have mission control interface on the right side as well. So over here we are going to be simply adding different builds that you want to go with, and we have different previews available for different tasks that we were doing. So in order to use, or the agent workflow that you can use is basically using these three screens. So this is the in progress section. We have the mission, the plan control in center. We can choose our agent from here, and this is the actual MD format. So you can easily get a head start with this section by simply adding your prompt in here, like for example build a calculator app, like for example this. And once you enter that, you're going to be simply getting your results. You can see we have some of these questions and stuff going on in here, but yeah, it is doing its procedure. So this is basically how the workflow works. If you want to learn more about it, we have a lot of videos on our channel that you can watch, and subscribe to our channel as well. See you guys in the next video.